where we explore the artistry of transforming living spaces into havens of elegance and functionality. Today, we delve into the beauty and functionality of small privacy fence design. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A well-designed outdoor space is an extension of one's home. It's a sanctuary where relaxation, entertainment, and personal expression converge. An integral component of this outdoor haven is often a fence. However, not all fences are created equal. Today, we delve into the realm of small privacy fence design. We will explore its purpose, benefits, decorative possibilities, and the best materials to bring your vision to life. Join us as we navigate the intricacies of crafting a private yet aesthetically pleasing outdoor retreat. A small privacy fence design is a low-height barrier constructed around a specific area of your outdoor space to provide a degree of seclusion and visual appeal. Unlike towering fences that can dominate a landscape, small privacy fences offer a more delicate and intimate approach to outdoor enclosure. This type of fence is ideal for defining boundaries, creating distinct zones within your garden, or simply adding an element of privacy to a patio or seating area. Beyond aesthetics, small privacy fences offer a multitude of practical benefits. They can shield your outdoor living area from prying eyes, creating a serene and private oasis. A well-placed fence can also define different areas within your garden, such as a dining space, a relaxation zone, or a children's play area. Moreover, it can serve as a backdrop for your outdoor decor, enhancing the overall visual impact of your space. How to decorating backyard with a small privacy fence to look good? Integrating a small privacy fence into your backyard design requires careful consideration. The fence should complement the overall style of your home and garden. Incorporate climbing plants like ivy or jasmine to create a natural and lush look. For a modern aesthetic, consider minimalist designs with clean lines. You can also experiment with different fence materials and colors to create a unique focal point. Remember, the goal is to create a harmonious and inviting outdoor space. The choice of material for your small privacy fence is crucial. Wood is a classic option that offers warmth and character. However, it requires regular maintenance. For a low-maintenance alternative, consider vinyl or composite materials. These options are durable, weather-resistant, and come in a variety of styles. Metal fences, such as wrought iron or aluminum, provide a modern and elegant look. Ultimately, the best material will depend on your personal preferences, budget, and the overall style of your home. And to complete your inspiration, hear these: the compilation of the top 10 best small privacy fence design ideas. 1. Lattice fence. This classic choice offers a delicate and airy look, perfect for gardens with climbing plants. The intricate latticework creates a visual screen while allowing sunlight to filter through. Consider adding painted accents or decorative elements to enhance its appeal. 2. Wooden picket fence. Exuding timeless charm and character, a wooden picket fence is a versatile option. Choose from various picket styles, heights, and spacing to match your desired level of privacy and aesthetic. Paint or stain the fence to complement your home's exterior. 3. Modern metal fence. For a sleek and contemporary look, a metal fence is an excellent choice. Opt for clean lines, geometric patterns, or minimalist designs to create a sophisticated ambience. Consider powder-coated finishes for durability and added color options. 4. Bamboo fence. Bring a touch of the tropics to your backyard with a bamboo fence. This eco-friendly option offers natural beauty, privacy, and a sense of tranquility. Choose from various bamboo varieties and heights to suit your space. 5. Vinyl privacy fence. Low maintenance and durable, vinyl privacy fences come in a wide range of styles and colors. They offer excellent privacy while requiring minimal upkeep. Consider adding decorative elements like faux stone or wood accents for added visual interest. 6. Composite fence. Combining the best of both worlds, composite fences offer the look of wood with the durability and low maintenance of vinyl. These fences are resistant to rot, insects, and fading, making them a practical choice for busy homeowners. 7. Stone wall fence. Create a rustic and natural ambience with a stone wall fence. This option provides excellent privacy and can be customized with various stone types and sizes. Consider incorporating plants or climbing vines for added greenery. 8. Living fence. For an eco-friendly and visually stunning option, a living fence is an ideal choice. Plant shrubs or hedges in a row to create a natural barrier that provides privacy while adding color and texture to your outdoor space. 9. Glass fence. If you desire a modern and transparent look, a glass fence is a unique option. While it may not provide complete privacy, it offers a sense of openness and allows natural light to pass through. Consider tempered glass for safety. 10. Combination fence. For a truly personalized design, consider combining different materials and styles. For example, you could combine a wooden base with a metal or vinyl top for a visually interesting and functional fence. By carefully selecting the right fence design and materials, you can create a small privacy fence that enhances both the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space. A small privacy fence can transform your outdoor space into a private retreat. By carefully considering design, materials, and decor, you can create an oasis that enhances your enjoyment of the outdoors. Remember, the possibilities are endless. Experiment, explore, and let your creativity flourish. Are you ready to elevate your outdoor living experience? Contact Homes Decor Designs today for expert guidance on small privacy fence design. Our team can help you create a stunning and functional outdoor space tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Visit our YouTube channel for more inspiration and design tips. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.